All right, guys, welcome back to my Airbnb project. Clearly, we're under construction here. It's been a long process to get here, and we've done a ton of work. I'm excited to show you some of the upgrades. Let's go check it out. All right, so you can clearly see we have the place completely gutted, right? We took off the drywall, and we're into the guts of the property right now. So we've pretty much redone everything. New electrical, new plumbing, and we did some pretty cool stuff here. Come check it out. So you can see we're running all these lines through the attic now. These are the condenser lines for the air conditioning units that we're gonna be adding to all 4 units. So one thing that they used to do when they built homes of this era back in 1957, they used to put all the utilities underground in the concrete. And the issue with that is what happens when something breaks or something leaks, right? They gotta rip up all the flooring, hammer it, jack down through the concrete to repair it. So it's a huge cost, huge expense, takes a lot of time. So we basically got rid of all of those old lines, the plumbing, the gas that was in the concrete, and we moved them all up to the attic. So now they're easily accessible. If something breaks in the future, it should be a lot easier of a fix. So I'm overall happy with what we're doing. We also redid all of the insulation. That's what this stuff is, insulation here. That's gonna keep everything, efficient for heating and air, since we are adding air conditioning. So that's gonna be a nice effect. Let me show you kind of what else we've done here. So you're in the kitchen right now. If you back up a little bit, I don't know if you remember from the previous video I did before construction, there was a door right here. So we knocked this door down. So now you have that big great room effect, opens up the kitchen. Let me show you some of the cool design stuff we're going with. We're going with a kind of Spanish Santa Barbara theme here. So that's what you see here. For this unit, this is for this unit. We're going with this beautiful green. This green color is really in right now. Spanish style tile for the bathroom. This is gonna be the backsplash here in the kitchen. And then in the bathroom, we're gonna do a subway tile surround for the shower. And then we got this really nice beachy, this is a luxury vinyl is the product, but it once again goes with the Santa Barbara theme, and it'll tie in nicely with all the Spanish tile. This is some of the kind of tile we're going for in the other unit, for the 1-bedroom unit. So yeah, we're in the middle of construction here. We're gonna be putting drywall up, hopefully early next week. That's when it's gonna kind of start to feel like a home again. And then we'll start laying tile, putting down the flooring, cabinets come in a couple weeks. Then we're gonna be getting in the kitchen. So goal is, fingers crossed, if I can get this project wrapped up in about a month, maybe a month and a half, more likely. That could get pushed to 2, but somewhere in that time period, because obviously time is money. So the sooner we can get this place finished up, the sooner we can start getting Airbnb guests in here. So here it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me show you some of the other stuff as well. So one thing these are the things you kind of don't think of when you start construction. When you start having all these materials come in, there's no place to put them all, right? So we had that place stuffed to the gills. Luckily, we were able to find a portable storage container that we had delivered here. So now we can put all our appliances in here and all of our materials. So this opens up nice and wide. So now, as materials coming in, we can store it here, and the guys have access to it all, and it's all safe on site. So yeah, there's the quick tour of everything. We'll check back in again, hopefully in a month or 2, and let you know how everything's wrapping up. Take care.